Yes.
Little Labouche
Snurbal's got a
onion.
video of the Melee song when they played it. Let's go.
That is awesome.
The fucking Melee theme.
If you guys didn't hear, Onion had a skate competition the other day. He came in first place. I think he pulled home with a grand. That's the DK you're seeing on stream.
Do you have a center report?
I won 3-1, 2-1.
Isles won 2-1 versus Gage.
Miles won 2-1.
Hey, Gage got a game.
Do you know what game? Do we know what game?
We don't know.
We don't know.
We can ask Gage.
Right. You've got GIF. You can play on the big setup when it's open. Well, we got GIF. You can play on that big setup wherever they may be. You played?
Yeah.
Okay. 2-0? Heard. Alright, you got Biscuit next, yep.
Guys, has Junebug ever beaten H-God?
2-0? Heard.
I feel like this matchup will suck.
1 second. You have the loser of stream.
Yeah, the loser of this set.
The loser of this set. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's get this switched over.
How did it feel?
It's stage first.
It is stage first. Did you end up on that key? You can't take off. And you're playing on, like, that's where ice wants to be. Like, it's just, and she played tough from 1 to 2. That's okay. You just ban a key, and it forces her to stay and when you're doing that shit. And she might swap to ice if you go to stadium, but like, yeah. At that point,
Well, I saw the vision for the giant punch. Just couldn't get it off in time. I saw the vision though.
still got this.
I feel like this has got to be an abysmal matchup for DJ.
I think so too.
Hurt box so big. Rest hits from halfway across the stage.
When I watched Junebug and I'm inspired, man. Like, he hits the fucking cargo throw punch at like 40 and they die, and you're like, wow.
I want to see one giant punch to get a stock against us. That's all I need.
Oh god, I want to see Junebug Zasa. I feel like Zasa got that. Like,
Zasa would be a
I feel like
great
it's-
set. I think Zasa's got it though too.
like, is there a DK in the world that can make it happen versus this puff? I don't know.
This puppet.
I don't
Zasa
know.
plays such an aggressive puff. I think she's always going for rest.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
Okay, Donkey Kong. Oh, let's fucking go, Onion.
Let's go Onion. It's a puff battle. It's just so many back airs. Just back air, back air, back air. There we go, Onion.
He's the leader of the bunch, and y'all know him well, bro. Oh my goodness.
We have an open setup. Who's going to play? Morris And a long Eddie Winback Jake Crayon set comes to a close. Oh, and I see Eddie doing a little jig over there. He's getting crazy.
That shit might be close, bro.
Eddie. Okay, Eddie, how we doing? How we doing? 2-0? All right, all right. Oh, no. 2-1. 2-1? What game did he get? What game did he get? Do you know? First game. First game? Okay, heard.
It's Mario action. Holy.
Good shit, Jake Crayon's getting the game off. The best Mario to ever do it, dare I say.
Oh god, bro.
2-1 Eddie, right? Okay, perfect.
Should I play thermals?
Yeah. One of those two setups, just hop on.
This is 1-0
Here we go,
Zasa right
TK.
now.
This is 1-0 Zasa. Onion looking a lot better on FD.
Yeah, honestly.
Now, if they were playing DK music again, I think he forced
I
us.
think he gets him up, bro. That's big things happen. Oh, unfortunate. GG's. Good effort though.